Hello guys, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. And for those of you that have never been here before, welcome. And yeah, so let's get into it. I wanted to show you an item that I received from Coach. I got this through the essay I've been working with. And I don't know, I just saw these peas and I just kind of fell in love with it. So let's not yap, because I'm known for yapping and rambling. So I'm gonna show you this item that I received. It came in this box from Coach, and this box is a lot bigger than the actual item, but yeah. So let me open this up. Okay, so yeah, so that's what the item looks like, and this is what the box looks like. Let me roll this away. Okay, so it came packaged like this. Let's take this ribbon off. It's always exciting. It's like Christmas in the middle of the year. What month are we on? September. What do you all think I got? I mean, this is really like a one-off. So, yes, that was for the thumbnail. That's what it looks like. I'm excited about this. I mean, I'm excited about all my bags, but this one is really like a one-off. It's like that. And it's in the dust bag. I'm gonna put all this. And I don't know if I've noticed before, but this tissue paper actually says, I don't know if you guys can make it out, but this tissue paper actually says Coach on it. Maybe the other tissue paper that I've been receiving has that too, but I haven't noticed. Here's the dust bag. And what does that say? Coach Reloved. That's what I'm saying. It's like a one-off. And I got... Okay. This is the Hutton. Hutton? What is the name of this bag? Okay, this is a Hutton 18 shoulder bag patchwork with shirling. So this is leather and shirling. That's what it looks like. Look at that hardware. It's beautiful. I never knew this bag even existed. I just happened to see it on the website recently when I came across the other little pouch that was Reloved that also has shirling in the front. Let me see if I have it. Yeah, here it is. When I came across this, which I revealed recently, I saw this on the website and I just fell in love with it. Anything that's shirling, that's like a fuzzy, soft teddy bear, I love. Okay, now, I've never even knew that this purse existed. I guess it was out a couple of years ago or so. I don't know. Never seen it until I saw this one. I don't know if you're all familiar with it, but this is what it looks like. And this is what they call from the restored or reloved. And that's what the chain looks like. It's got, oops. Hold on one second. Okay. So, this bag has, let me stand up. it has this, like on the top of the chain strap, it has this leather strap. And let me see if I can get away with wearing this crossbody. I'm gonna get on my bench. I'm gonna show you all. It's right on my hip. Right on my hip. Which, this is called a shoulder bag, but you can wear it crossbody. You can pull the chain and, oops, I have to play with it. 1 second. You see that? So you have the strap on the top, and then you have the chain, and you can wear it on the shoulder, which I think is more like, it's less casual that way to me. But guys, this is like a box. It's very sturdy. It's nothing, it's very like shaped. It's got that similar pocket to the new Times Square tabbies, where it has this pocket here that is like attached to, and the zipper pull is kind of like sticking out. That's what that looks like. And what is this? Oh, it's just a little baggie of, oops, that little baggie stuff that they put inside. Anyways, it's got that zipper on the inside. Kind of just like the new tabbies Times Square. And I don't know if you can all see it, but on this side, it has credit card slots. So that's great because I won't have to, the chain just kind of, whatever, I'll fix it later. I won't have to use a card case because it has 1, 2, 3 credit card slots right there. So yeah, this is a pretty nice bag. I love it. I'm in love with it. So it has this shearling, darker color shearling. It's like a chocolate color. It's really pretty. And then it has this one here that is kind of like striped, right? And then you have the light, and then you have the beige, and then the like lighter brown. But this is, guys, this is just beautiful. I mean, the inside of this bag, it's this is suede, guys. This smells like suede. Oh my gosh, the whole bag smells like leather. The inside too. I thought this was a fabric, but it's not. It's actual suede. And the description on it, it said suede, leather, and shearling. So that's where the suede is. It's completely lined with suede, like chocolate brown suede on the inside. This is just so soft. I can't talk about it. Look at this. Again, I don't know if this bag was somebody's and it got returned, or I don't know what happens to these bags, but they are from the Reloved. And for what I saw on the website, when I went to get this, it said, I think it said 2 left. And I just went on the website when I got this, and this was probably, I ordered it, this came pretty quick actually. I ordered this probably 4 days ago, maybe 5. It just got here, not more than 5. And it's not available on the website anymore. It's gone. So I just think that this is really cute. I mean, this is probably redundant to have this inside of this because it's so tiny, and this will probably take up the whole space. But I just want to see if it fits. It does fit, but look at that. It takes up the whole space. Maybe I can put my key fob or a lipstick in there, but that's about it. So these two are not gonna go together, but this piece I'll probably use in my bigger bags, but I'm like obsessed with this. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. So obsessed with this bag. Obsessed. Love the combination of chain with a little bit of leather for the shoulder. I think the whole situation here with pulling the chain back and forth could be a little bit cumbersome, but it's not anything that it's gonna like drive me crazy or anything. This got like a little piece of glitter. I love this hardware and this like twist lock. It's got the little buttons there. And then I love the fact that it's got the, let me see this. This, like you really have to make it go down flat to twist the lock. But it's got the horse and carriage. And that's like so epic, right? So I recently revealed my beige teddy bear. And let's see. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, what do y'all think? Isn't it adorable? I have the red one too. Oh, I can use my patchwork teddy bear with this. He's not in this closet right now, otherwise I would show you. But I think he's gonna go great with this bag too. But yeah, what do y'all think? Isn't it stunning? Such a great bag for fall and winter. And I mean, I'll start carrying this like tomorrow. Mañana, I'll be on this. I'm not gonna be able to fit much in it, but as I told y'all, I usually carry one of my Never Fools with my laptop and stuff like that for work, or one of my tote bags that are on this side. And I usually carry, so I usually carry like my work bag, like on my shoulder, right? And then I'll wear like a smaller bag, whether it's a tabby or whether it's something like this crossbody, where I basically just carry like my cards or my wallet, or if it's a card case. I don't really use a wallet, so it's a card case, or since this one has card slots, it'll just, my cards will be in there. I will carry lipstick, my AirPods. I can't show you if my phone fits in here because I'm using it right now to make this video. But as you'll know, if you've been watching my videos, I hardly ever put a phone inside a purse, even if it's a big purse. I always have it in my hand. If I'm wearing jeans, I have it in my pocket. But yeah, how beautiful is this? This is stunning. Stunning. Anyways, so I wanted to show you all this. Very happy with it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you are familiar with the Hutton, am I saying it right? Hutton bags. It seems like these were around a couple of years ago. Yeah, let me know if any of you have one, if any of you ever came across this bag, and if you do have one, do you still use it? What do you think about it? Do you love it? Let me know of any questions that you might have. If you want me to do a what's in my bag, I can do that. Let me know. But this is on the tiny side. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all soon. Bye. Take care.